How to apply filters in Reelshot. Filters can instantly transform the mood and aesthetics of a videos in Reelshot. Whether you want a vintage look, a vibrant pop, or a cinematic feel, applying filters is easy. This guide shows you how. In your open Reelshot project, tap on the video clip on the timeline to which you can apply a filter. This will select the clip and bring up its editing options. Since the filter is only available in the premium version, please follow the rest of the steps yourself. Look for the Filters tool icon in the editing toolbar. It will be available here in the premium version, often represented by a magic wand or 3 overlapping circles. Tap on this icon to open the filter gallery. You will see a gallery of various filter options. Tap on different filters to instantly preview how they look on a video in the main window. Experiment to find the perfect style. Once you've chosen a filter, tap on Done or Apply to confirm. Your video now has a whole new vibe. You've successfully applied filters in Reelshot. Enhance a video's visual storytelling. Like and subscribe for more Reelshot visual effective tips.